Nongelam kaliang persya ba Roni V Lengdo ulang ba kejengnya kajaput apreng ke Asam bat kemikrea haki jaka kaput anamla ban penkut. Ulang ba kasorkar kan hak ban wad ikilat kelenti ban penbet ikini ki kenrum kenram kenang ba kinong syong haki tu jaka kimdai ban ngat ha kijeng e. Ulang ru ba kasorkar kadai ban sim kya bat ru ban penbet ikini kijeng e ada kamen sim ke basngau kya bat ba kipat ba kibadon haki jaka kaput kimdai ban syak pentut. La ban kedau ban kaliang ki menteri rang ba jong kini ki jala kin penlong ke jing jurip lang ya kitu ya ki katu kat ni ki jaka ki badan hapeng ki jing ya kaja hadin ke jing rakhe ya ka Independence Day.
Confrontation is not going to solve the problem. I think we need to have an amicable solution between the state of Assam and the state of Meghalaya. I think confrontation is not going to solve the problem. I think we have to have a dialogue, amicable solution to all this problem, because you confront, they will also confront. So in the process, the people will suffer. So I think the best solution is sit across the table, talk it out, and then in a spirit of give and take, in that cordial atmosphere, and then ensure that people living there are safe on both sides of the border.